Your games are lagging and dropping FPS just because your system isn't using your RAM properly. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock full RAM usage, remove limits, and fix stutter in games. By the end of this guide, your system should feel smoother with better RAM usage and more stable performance. So guys, press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, then find Registry Editor in the search results. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator so we can make system-level changes. Once the registry editor opens, go to the address bar at the top. Then go to the video description. Copy the exact registry path, paste it there, and press Enter. This will take you directly to the correct location. After the location loads, look on the right side panel and find a key called Large System Cache. Now double-click Large System Cache and change the value data from 0 to 1. This allows Windows to use System Cache more aggressively, so memory can be accessed more efficiently during heavy workloads. After changing the value, click OK to save it. Think of your RAM like a storage room where tools are kept for quick access. If Windows doesn't manage that space properly, it keeps unnecessary items in the way, so when your game needs memory, it has to wait for space to be cleared. By enabling this setting, you organize that space better so your game can access memory faster and run more smoothly. Now press the Windows key, type PowerShell, then find Windows PowerShell in the search results. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator so we can access advanced system commands. Once the PowerShell window opens, click inside it and type Get-MMAgent, then press Enter. This will show you the current memory settings used by Windows. Now look through the results and find Memory Compression. If it shows True, that means Windows is actively compressing your RAM. If you see that it's enabled, type Disable-MMAgent-MC, then press Enter. This disables memory compression so your RAM runs in a normal, uncompressed state without extra CPU processing. Think of memory compression like trying to squeeze luggage into smaller bags to save space. During gaming, that extra unpacking takes time and causes small delays, which turn into stutters or FPS drops. By disabling it, your RAM stays fully open and ready, so your game can use memory instantly without waiting, improving smoothness and stability. Alright guys, now in this step, we're going to go deeper and make sure your RAM is actually being used properly during gaming. So we're going to use a lightweight tool called ISLC, and you can download it from the link in the description. Once you download and open it, you'll see a simple interface. Now look for the option called The List Size is at Least, and set it to 1024 megabytes. This forces Windows to clear standby memory before it starts affecting your game performance. Next, find Free Memory is lower than and enter half of your total RAM in megabytes. For example, if you have 16 gigabytes RAM, type 8000, and if you have 8 gigabytes, type 4000. After that, enable Custom Timer Resolution and set it to 0.50, which helps improve frame time consistency and reduces stutter during heavy gameplay. Once everything is set, check all the required boxes and click Start. ISLC will now run in the background and automatically clean memory when needed so your RAM stays available for your game. Think of this like having a cleaner constantly watching your workspace and removing unnecessary items before they start getting in your way. With ISLC running, your memory stays clean and ready, so your game can use RAM instantly without interruptions, resulting in smoother and more stable performance. Now guys, even after fixing RAM usage, you can still experience lag spikes or high ping due to network issues during gaming. So we are going to use a tool called Gear Up Booster. Here's how to use it. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link in the description. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first step is to log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. Roblox, Fortnite, or any game. Click the Boost button and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab, where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one, or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GearUp Booster. This will help you optimize Fortnite or any other game for lower ping and higher FPS. So guys, now press the Windows key, type Services, and open the Services application from the search results. Once the window opens, you'll see a long list of background services running on your system. Slowly scroll down and find SysMain. Once you locate it, double-click on SysMain to open its Properties window. Inside the window, click the Stop button so the service stops running right now. Next, find Startup Type and change it to Disabled. This prevents Windows from automatically filling your RAM with cached apps that your game doesn't need. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Think of SysMain like someone constantly filling your desk with tools they think you might use later. But when your game needs space, the desk is already cluttered, so it has to wait for things to be cleared. That delay shows up as stutters, FPS drops, or your game not using RAM properly. By disabling it, you keep the desk clear so your game gets full access to memory instantly, resulting in smoother performance. Alright guys, now press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Once it appears, type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. This will open the System Properties window. Go to the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click on Settings. A new window will open. Now again, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Virtual Memory section, click Change. Once the new window opens, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Now select your main drive, C, then choose Custom Size. Now, we calculate values step by step so you fully understand it. First, take your RAM in gigabytes. In this example, we use 16 gigabytes RAM. To convert gigabytes into megabytes, we multiply by 1024. So open calculator and do 16 times 1024, right arrow, you get 16,384. This is your initial size. Now for maximum size, we multiply this value by 1.5. So open calculator again and do 16,384 times 1.5. You get 24,576. This is your maximum size. Now enter these values. First, set initial size, 16,384. This ensures Windows already has memory reserved instead of resizing it during gaming. Next, set maximum size to 24,576. This gives extra headroom so your system doesn't struggle when memory usage increases. After entering both values, click Set, then click OK. Think of this like building a storage room for your house. If the room keeps changing size every time you need space, it slows everything down because construction keeps happening again and again. That delay is exactly what causes stutters and FPS drops in games. By setting a fixed size, you're building the room once properly, so everything runs smoothly, giving your game stable memory access and reducing lag and stuttering. Now press the Windows key, type Resource Monitor, and open it from the search results. Once the window opens, look at the tabs at the top and click on the Memory tab. Inside the Memory section, you'll see a breakdown of how your RAM is being used. Slowly look for the Standby Memory section and compare it with the free memory. If you notice that standby memory is very high and free memory is very low, that means Windows is holding a large amount of RAM as cached data instead of releasing it. In this case, simply restart your PC before gaming. This clears the standby memory completely so your game can access RAM instantly. Think of this like your desk being filled with old files from previous work. When you try to start a new task, you first have to clear that space, which causes delay. That delay is what shows up as stutters or slow loading in games. By restarting, you clean the desk completely so your game gets full access to RAM right away, resulting in smoother performance. That's it guys, your game should now run smoother with fewer stutters and better FPS stability. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real optimization tutorials.